Students are at the center of everything we do at Princeton Public Schools. Our schools are communities where students find knowledge, joy, and purpose. We prioritize robust programs and services, small class sizes, and neighborhood elementary schools. Maintaining this level of education means looking ahead and planning accordingly. Princeton is in a period of extensive development that will likely add at least 1,000 housing units over the next 5 to 7 years. That growth means our schools need more capacity to welcome new students. Additional space also would preserve the learning environments that help students thrive. Princeton Public Schools will hold a bond referendum on Tuesday, January 28th, as a strategy to meet our building needs. Voters will be asked if the district can borrow funds to expand and renovate schools and upgrade aging infrastructure.
The Board of Education and district leaders have spent years developing a strategy for smart growth to best serve students and the community. When voters approve a referendum, the state contributes debt service aid towards project costs. This brings state tax dollars back home to ease the local impact. We have previously used bond referendums to cost-effectively address building needs, like the beautifully renovated cafeteria at Princeton High School. The new bond referendum is split into 3 questions. Should all 3 questions be approved, debt service aid would contribute toward project costs. Growth is happening. If we take no action, elementary redistricting will take place earlier and will impact more students. Class sizes from K to 12 will likely increase, and expensive modular classrooms may be needed. As space becomes tighter, we may have to discontinue or modify some educational programming.
As part of our planning process, we took a close look at where housing is being built. New developments are primarily coming to the Community Park and Littlebrook Elementary school zones. The first of 3 referendum questions would fund community park expansion and critical HVAC upgrades at Princeton High School. Expanding the centrally located community park school would accommodate more neighborhood students and balance elementary class sizes district-wide, including at Johnson Park and Riverside. Question 1 also funds upgrades to end-of-life HVAC systems at Princeton High School. The project would mean significant cost savings and more comfortable classrooms with improved air quality. Question 2 addresses urgent needs at Princeton Middle School, which is already at capacity with an enrollment of around 800 students. The proposal would add instructional space, including 2 science labs and an expanded cafeteria and larger music rooms. Connecting school corridors would vastly improve the flow of students through the building. A new multi-purpose room would be used for indoor recess, physical education, and assemblies. Moving the district technology department to the expanded middle school would open student instructional space at the high school. That project is also included in question 2. Question 3 expands Littlebrook Elementary with 6 new classrooms, additional small group programming spaces, and a larger music room.
Across the 3 questions, the proposed improvements address our goals for revitalizing older school buildings and meeting the diverse, present-day needs of all Princeton students. Small group instruction rooms provide space outside of the traditional classroom to address learning and opportunity gaps. Although we consider all the projects essential, we are offering the bond referendum in a 3-question format. Question 2 can only pass if question 1 passes, and question 3 can only pass if questions 1 and 2 are approved.
Princeton's excellent public schools are fortunate to have benefited from sustained community support and investment. We're looking forward to a bright future, but must be proactive to preserve small class sizes and quality programming as we prepare for growth. Princeton Public Schools will offer opportunities for the community to ask questions and learn more. Please visit our website and follow us on social media for updates and extensive referendum information. And please remember to vote on or before Tuesday, January 28th. This is a chance to cast your ballot in an election that directly impacts the Princeton community. You can vote by mail or at the polls on January 28th. Thank you for learning about the bond referendum and taking the time to vote.